Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can become a seller on Amazon. Now this is a step-by-step beginner's guide to give you a complete breakdown of exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. Now Amazon is the platform that is considered number one in the world, and the reason for that is they've got anything that anyone needs anywhere in the world, and that is the reason why there's a lot of sellers that want to move themselves onto Amazon. Amazon is a platform that literally works in every single niche that's available, and obviously the chances of actually making a lot of money and making a successful business is available, and a chance to do that is on your fingertips. And how you need to do that and what you need to do is exactly what I'm going to show you. The first thing that you need to do is head over to sellercentral.amazon.com and become an Amazon seller. Over half their multi-channel sellers prefer Amazon for their customer acquisitions. All you need to do is click on sign up and you're good to go. So after you do that, one of the major things that you have to keep in mind before you head over to become a seller is certain information that you need to provide. For example, the documentations, the verifications, and obviously after getting verified, you can start selling. Now, main thing over here is that they need to collect relevant personal and business information to comply with the identification and verification measures, and they require additional information or documents later. Now, the thing they need to get is the valid government issued ID or passport and the recent bank account or credit card statement, as well as a chargeable credit card and your mobile phones. Now, you may be asked to meet with the Amazon associate to verify your submission. This helps to keep Amazon as a trusted shopping destination, which is crucial because honestly speaking, at the end of the day, Amazon literally means a quality place to buy your products, and that is the reason why they have a very strong element of verification put in place. So make sure you have all the documents that you need to ensure that you can start selling and become a seller on Amazon. After you've got everything that you need, all you need to do is click on begin. Now, before you click on begin, the thing that I need to mention over here is the major reasons why you need to sell on Amazon. And this is the beginner's guide, so I highly recommend for you to go through it. There are hundreds of millions worldwide active customer accounts and 150 plus million Prime members worldwide, with a $3.5 billion sales by third-party selling partners during the Prime Day in 2020. Now, the Amazon Edge is an element that you have to keep in mind because more than half of the units sold in their stores are from independent sellers, and nearly 60% of their multi-channel sellers are named Amazon as their fastest growing channel. Now, obviously, the element over here that you have to keep in mind is the fact that you need to register. There's different plans, individuals, professionals, which we're going to look in details later on in the video, but you have to keep in mind exactly what you want to do, if you want to do it individually or you want to do it professionally, because there are elements available for both of them. Now, over here, the thing you have to keep in mind is always start off small and then go big. Now, we've already talked about what you will need to start up, such as your tax information, government issue ID, your chargeable credit card. But the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is how much does it cost to sell on Amazon? The subscription fee, the selling fee, the shipping fee, and obviously the element over here that how much profit you're gonna make. Now, before you get into that, you have to understand what the Seller Central is. Now, their main element over here is to keep track of your inventory and update your listing from the inventory tab. You can download the custom business reports and bookmark templates as well, and you can contact the selling partner support, which is open with the help of tickets during the case log. Now, you can also go to the mobiles because they're available on the Apple Store as well as the Google Play Store, so you can easily do everything on the go from your mobile. So if you don't have an account, you can easily sign up to get an account. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And the thing over here that I need to keep in mind and mention to you guys is it's very easy to list your first products. And obviously what you need to list and how you need to list is all these elements are available. Now, you want to talk about the SKUs, the product titles, the product descriptions, the bullet points, the product images, and even search for items and relevant keywords. The support that you get is absolutely brilliant, and the successful listing equals to a successful launch with variation issues, with image compliances and product IDs that's going to be available. Now, the products that vary only by color, scent, or size might be a good candidate for listing at variations. So ask yourself, guys, if the customers would expect to find the products together on the same page or not, and then list them according to that. With your images that must be 500 to 500 pixels, you have to keep in mind and set against the plan with a white background. And the product should fill at least 80% of the image area. And with the product IDs, you make sure that you're meeting the requirements for your product from the UPCs and the GTINs. Then comes the point of how to deliver deliver these products, and selecting the right fulfillment option is essential. And Amazon sellers have two options for getting shoppers their stuff. You can do it yourself, maintaining your inventory and shipping products to your customers, or have an Amazon take responsibility for the packing, labeling, shipping products through their fulfillment by Amazon, the FBA. Now, each method has its own set of benefits. You just have to decide which one is right for your business. And if you're fulfilling the orders yourself, you would have a full customization ability and obviously the support that you need to ensure that you get your products to your customers. And the benefit of fulfillment by Amazon is absolutely brilliant because around the world, Amazon has more than 175 fulfillment centers, which contain more than 150 million square feet of storage space. With the FBA, you get to store your stuff on those shelves, and you also get Amazon's world-class customer service and returns, along with other advantages such as automatic Prime eligibility and free Super Saver shipping that help you scale your business. So the question really comes is how fulfillment Amazon actually works. There are four basic steps, guys. Step number one, you ship your inventory to Amazon. It is scanned and made available for sale. Step two, each order Amazon packs and ships the product directly to the customer. And step three, Amazon collects the payment from the customer and pays you available funds every 2 weeks. And step four, Amazon customer service team handles questions, returns, and refunds. It's very simple and easy. So this is what you need to do, and this is what you need to understand. But the thing over here that really makes Amazon stand out is their after sales. By managing your Amazon business performance metrics, you can understand exactly who comes onto your store, what they buy, when they buy it, how they ship it, what is being sold, and how much it's being sold. All these metrics give you amazing feedback. And with the right customer reviews, you can always make sure that you'll get more customers and people would understand that you are a serious shipper and that understands the business and takes care of their customers. Now, there's different opportunities for business growth, and literally Amazon is the beginning with the different advertisements that are available, such as a sponsored product, sponsored brands, and Amazon stores. You can get benefit from all of these, from promotionals and coupons and global expansion that's available. And business Amazon is one of the greatest elements that you have to keep in mind. With the states from business to business customers, over 5 million registered business customers ranging from small businesses to large businesses, and 80 plus Fortune 100 companies with 92 of the 100 biggest US hospital system, 45 states, and 90 of the 100 greatest largest cities and countries. With business to business customers have a larger basket size than business to company. On average, business to business customers return products less frequently, and all this information is going to be made available to you as you become a seller on Amazon. And combining all these elements together, you would be able to create a business for yourself that is going to be absolutely brilliant. But before we take that to the next level, the reason why you can become a greater seller is because you enroll to the brand in the brand registry. You enhance your product details with A+ context, and you get up with the fulfillment of Amazon and automatic pricing on your offers, and you create sponsored products and campaigns with coupons and deals. And that is the reason why you need to use Amazon.com. Now moving on to the pricing. So main thing over here is that you have your selling plans, your referral fees, your fulfillment fees, and your other costs. Now, as a new seller incentive, over 50,000 in potential benefits are available. You get 5% back on your first 1 million in branded sales with a perfect launch with 5 steps for your first 90 days. And they help you get started from brand registry, from Vine, from transparency. And your incentive over here is that you get a 5% bonus on your first million. You get $200 credit and $100 credit for transparency as well. So how you get it? It's quite simple and straightforward. Well, looking at the selling plans that are available, you have two elements to go through, the individual and the professional. For the individual, is going to cost you 0.99 cent per item sold, and the professional is going to be $39.99 per month. But the thing over here I want to mention, which is crucial, is their overview. You sell fewer than 40 units a month. You'll be deciding what to sell, and you don't plan to advertise or use advertising selling tools. But with the right element, you can sell more than 40 units a month. You want to advertise your products, and you want to qualify for the top placement on the product detail pages, and you want to sell advanced selling tools like APIs and reports, and you want to sell product restricted in the restricted categories. Now over here, the thing that Setting Plan makes available is the fact that you get a lot of elements with professional, but my recommendation, guys, is always start off at a smaller level and then gradually grow yourself when you reach the professional. It's very simple, guys. It's very easy. If you follow everything I've told you step by step, you'll be able to create an amazing business for yourself, and you can also estimate your Amazon costs and profits that you would make. With Amazon, everything is easy and done for you. All you need to understand is what you need to do and how you need to do it, and that is the reason we are making these videos for you. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to it, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, and your Instagram, so more people can find out how to become sellers on Amazon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.